Hello and welcome to my e-lesson, and in this video I'll tell you how you can count cells with odd values. Now, many times we might be required to look at a set of data like this one where we have the names and the marks, and we might be required to find out, all right, how many of these cells contain values which have odd numbers, correct? Now, that can be done in multiple ways, but the easiest way to do it is using a combination formula, which is a combination of the sum product formula, which I'll mention over here, all right, and the mod formula. Yes, let me just give them a bigger font. Mod formula will actually try to find out the cells containing the odd values, and the sum product formula will add them. I've already done this over here. See, if you see the result is 4. If I make this uh, odd value say 99, so it will now say 5. Simple, right? How? Let me show you how it works. So let me first show you how the mod formula would work, because that is important to understand. So I'll type in is equal to mod, and it says number and divisor. That means if I give it a number and a divisor, that is, I want to divide it by 2, so then it will give me the remainder. Now, the beauty is, if this number is a even number and if it is divided by 2, then the remainder would be 0. But if it is an odd number in the end, then the remainder would be 1. That is what is happening over here. See? Now, with the help of sum product formula, I will be able to run this mod formula in the complete range, because mod formula runs only in one cell at a time, correct? So with the sum product formula, I'll be able to run it in a range and then to add the results. Let me show you. Is equal to sum product, all right, returns the sum of products of corresponding ranges or arrays. So now, instead of giving it an array right now, I will give it a mod formula. There is my array now. The divisor is 2, close the bracket, press enter, and here's your answer, 5. Simple, correct? Now if I double click over here and I select this range, or if I click over here, now how do we evaluate this formula? This is the formula, correct? I'll go to formulas and I will go to evaluate formula. Over here, you see, this is the formula we've entered, mod C4 to C10, comma 2. If I evaluate it, it says 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So what has happened? Some product has counted these 1s together to get a 5. And these ones were achieved using the mod formula. Like we were able to get this 1 over here. Isn't this cool? So you can actually go to myelesson.org to download this file and practice along. And like these 216,000 people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can also subscribe to it, so that whenever there is a new video out, you'll be notified. And if you liked this video, please do click on the thumbs up symbol and share this video. Well, until the next video, this is your Guru now signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.